How's it going, guys? So we did a video a while back on how to remove an emblem, a roundel, from a BMW. And a lot of you guys probably noticed that you're getting a lot of fading and discoloration. Picked the E60 today because it's sitting here, it's basking in the sun, you might say. And we're gonna pull this label off and see if I got another one to replace it with. But, you know, this is something that if you don't do it correctly, you're gonna damage your paint or whatever have you. So let's go ahead and get it pulled off. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take either a piece of fishing line. You might be able to use dental floss, depends on how strong it is, and we're going to fish it under the edge here. Just like so. This one's pretty crispy actually. And we're hoping that somebody didn't epoxy it on there, which doesn't look like they did, but that is a legit possibility on an older car. We're gonna grab both sides and we're gonna wiggle it. One side's already kind of broken. I'm gonna pop it off. Yeah, so somebody's already broken one side and tried to glue it. That's very common. The other side is still there, so it sticks right in these little rubber grommets. So just make sure when you're ordering these, look up your car. Different BMWs take different sizes of these, and make sure you get the right size, because if you don't get the right size, it's not going to fit correctly. It's going to be too small for the indentation or too big, and then it won't stay in. And these can be had, I'll put a link in the description. This can be had pretty cheaply, no matter what car you have, no matter what model you have. So I'll put a few links in there. For E60, we'll do one for E39. I think it might even be the same, but we'll sort that out then. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.